Good day to Dr. Nushki and also Dr. Louisa. So we are from Group 5. So this video is for talking about the video presentation about the industry visit. So our industry visit that we see namely as All Cosmos, which is the ASEAN top biotechnology company. So firstly, I need to introduce our group member. So me, I am Xuan, and other group member Adam Ismail, Noin Shiva, and lastly is Anjani. Okay, so firstly, I need to explain about the objective of industrial visit. So for our group, we have four objectives. So the first objective is to gain insight into the industry structure and its functioning. So this is to get that how the industry structure work and also its function. So mainly we are in the university, we only learn about the theory, but actually industry is more complicated, complex structure. So throughout this industry visit, we can know about the how the industry work and also its functioning throughout the process. Next is about to understand the biotechnological process in industry. So this one is about the biotechnology process in industry. So in our syllabus, about the industry is about fermentation and also field culture isolation. So throughout this industry visit, we can know about the detail and apply this our knowledge into the industry so that we can learn more detail and more deeper. The third objective is to explore the research and development carried out in industry. So this one is every industry has their own R&D. So for this industry, the R&D is about the agricultural technology for the microorganism. The last objective is to explore the career opportunity related in the biotechnology in industry. So we know that the biotechnology student not only can work in laboratory, but also it can work in the industry. So, but the industry is very big. What are the opportunity? What are the career that can be obtained in industry? So, throughout this industry visit, we can know about it. Okay, next I will explain the structure of these companies. So, mainly, All Cosmo is the big company that is founded in Taiwan. But actually in Malaysia, there are also many branches. So there are, you can see this, there are Starbucks, Food, GK Bio, and also Savi Eco here. So these are all the company under the All Cosmos. But for our industry, we see is with Electric SDM Berhad. So it is one of the company under All Cosmos that we see at Johor Bahru lah. Okay. Okay. So what are the RV Elective about? So RV Elective is the company under our Cosmos. So it is established on 2011 and it is more focused on agriculture biotechnology. But agriculture biotechnology is more focused on the biofertilizer made from the microbial. So this company will be discover the microorganism in nature to promote the use of microbial in enhance the biofertilizer production. So instead of using chemical fertilizer, they use the microbe which is eco-friendly and also non-pollutant to enhance the biofertilizer production. So the main product of this company produce is microbial based fertilizer. So since it is more focused on microbial fertilizer, so there are two main parts in this industry. So firstly, it's about laboratory. Laboratory is about the field culture isolation. We have to isolate the microbe from the nature, and then after we isolate, we will go to the fermentation, which is bioreactor to produce more and more of microbe as our product into the form of biofertilizer. So that's all for me. Next.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I am Inshira and today I will continue the presentation by presenting the knowledge that we gain in the industrial visit mainly related to biotechnology and biocatalysts. To be honest, there is not much information that we gain related to biotechnology or biocatalysts. However, in this industrial visit, we learn and gain information about the bioreactor that they use that related with bioprocess engineering and some sort of related with biotechnology. So this All Cosmos focus is on implementing biotechnology and maintaining green environment plus venturing into plantation, research, development and management. So what they meant by biotechnology is to enhance the way that they manufacture and produce their product by ensuring the company is using something that not only create environmental friendly but also protects the environment. So as you can see on top of my left, this is the bioreactor that they use to manufacture the product. So this aerobic bioreactor is a bioreactor that filled with water and equipped with an agitator. So At the bottom of the bioreactor, there is an oxygen concentrator connected to the tank, provides a regular supply of oxygen to the beneficial microorganism inside the bioreactor. So raw material like food waste is fed into the tank and creating a slurry. So the intense mixing and adding oxygen encourages biological composition over time. So during this process, there is no smell that will produce. So about 3 weeks, the composition is mostly complete and highly concentrated. So during this state, nutrient-rich liquid is removed from the bioreactor and it undergoes the filtration. So during this filtration, the solid is removed from the liquid. So the solids will be returned back to the bioreactor for further treatment, and while the liquid stream is ready to use as an organic fertilizer. So what we learned also in this industrial visit, that if how we want to know there is contamination or not in the bioreactor, is that we will monitor the process using the PC inside the office. Means like when the graph is going something wrong, then it means that there is something wrong with the medium inside the bioreactor. So I think that is all knowledge that we gained during the industrial talk. So I will pass to the next presenter, Adam, to continue the presentation with knowledge that we gained mainly on the laboratory part. Thank you.
Okay, hi. So during the industrial visit, I watched how they culture the desired microorganisms in the lab scale bioreactor, as well as how they grow the microbes on the plate. So these are the examples of the microbes that were cultivated, and as you can see, there were different types of growing the bacteria on the agar, which is the spread plate method and also the streak plate method. So there were also different types of bacteria grown in the laboratory, which were Kitasatospora species, Bacillus species, what else? Penicillium species, Trichoderma species, which were used in their newest product, which is biofertilizer, probiotic, and so on. There were also shaking of the bacterial culture during my visits. I witnessed it myself. In they shake the bacterial culture in the flask, so to ensure the aeration, the oxygen and nutrients are all available and were spread evenly.
Journey into the company of Arif Effective SDN BSD, which is a company that are forefront of sustainable agriculture and biofertilizers. And also throughout this site visit video presentation, we have witnessed the innovative techniques employed by Arif Effective in harnessing the power of microorganisms to revolutionize the farming practices. Arif Effective has demonstrated their unwavering commitment to environmental preservation and advancement of agricultural productivity by growing various types of microorganisms within their laboratory and bioreactor. They have unlocked the nature's hidden potential, allowing farmers to cultivate crops in more efficient and sustainable manner. The benefit of Arif effective biofertilizers extend more than agricultural yield. They also contribute to reducing the reliance of chemical fertilizers, which often have adverse effect in soil health and water quality. By harnessing the power of nature, Arif effective is helping to build more sustainable future for our planet. Aside from biofertilizer, Arif effective also have growing different type of microorganism as mentioned before, as like for the antifungal and also microorganism to fight off the pathogen that were inside the soil. Aside from that, by using the biofertilizer, they also increase the biodiversity inside the soil, making the soil is more fertilized and give more nutrition towards the crops for a better yield. Aside from agriculture, the Arif effective also have for probiotics and also growing for human probiotics. As we conclude this site visit video presentation, it is clear that Arif Effective SDM BSD is a trailblazer for the food biofertilizers. Their cutting-edge technology, scientific expertise, and commitment to sustainability have positioned them as the leader in industry. We extend our sincere gratitude to Arif Effective and their team for graciously opening their doors, sharing their knowledge, and inspiring us with their passion, their work, which reminds us the extraordinary potential within the microbial world and the role we all play in shaping the greener and more prosperous future. Thank you very much for joining us in this incredible journey. Together, let's us continue to explore wonders of nature and unlock its secrets for the benefit of it all. Thank you.